Good morning, would you be my wife there?
My code is 2829. And I would like to order a deluxe breakfast
Okay.
with, instead of sausage, would be a steak.
Sorry? Anything else for your order?
Yes, no sausage and steak. That's it. Thank you.
No, no.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you.
Alright, can you park in front of the store? No, in front of the store.
In front of the store?
Yeah, so you just go around this car and take a left and just like right in the front.
Oh, okay.
Hey, which one did you have?
The deluxe breakfast with steak, not sausage, steak.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.